Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to log out of Instagram on all device. So first of all, open Instagram account. Look at the left corner, click on more and go to settings. Click on see more in account center, password and security. And select devices to log out and select all, and then finally tap on logout. Then successfully log out of Instagram on all devices. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.